Hey everybody, this is Dominic with Roto-Rooter here at 2943 Magnolia Street, Longview for sewer scope of sale of home. I'm currently here on the roof. The line goes to the back alley, which I'll show you here in a minute. Let me get my glove on and I'll show you the view from up top here. We're going from the vent stack, 3-inch, under the bathroom. So here's the stack we're going through. There's the backyard, big old tree, and the alley view. But we'll go ahead and get started. I will put audio on as it's deemed necessary. So it got down through the initial vent stack, and this is at the 90, going out towards the alley. As you can see, there is quite a bit of scum layer, but don't worry, it just looks like there is more than there actually is. This camera currently sits at the bottom of the pipe, so any water might look drastic. It really isn't, again, because this thing drags at the bottom of the pipe. If there's anything that comes across my attention and worth pointing out, I will do so, but for now, the audio will be off. So as far as the cast iron goes, coming out of the house, it does look to be in pretty rough condition. Because this camera does drag at the bottom of the line, I'm going to back up just a bit, and if you guys can see that little stream that seems to go between the two walls of the pipe and under the camera, that's usually a channel indicating that the bottom of this pipe is rusted out or is about to rust out, which means it will be backing up very shortly if that were to break. Again, that channel just means it's very old cast iron. It happens with all of it, especially in this neighborhood, it seems to be. But for right now, it's okay, but it will need to be addressed soon. So right here is the transition to what appears to be OrangeBurg. Again, very common in this neighborhood. That does seem to have a positive drop-off, which means it's just the drop-off is in favor of this house, as in it will go downstream rather than uphill. So not too big of an issue, but again, if everything else needs to be addressed, this would have to be addressed as well.